Pagkabay basta
Nandito nga pala guys si Celis. Nung last time na naglaro siya sa Amadeo, hindi pa nga natin nalalabas yun actually, second game na yun to. Pero mauna kasi ito lumabas, hintayin nyo yung labas natin yung Amadeo. Wala kasi ako, hindi ko siya napanood. So ngayon gusto ko siya mapanood. Pero sobrang ganda ng feedback ng nila Coach Jake and pati yung mga teammates niya. So excited ako makita kung paano maglaro si Celis. Ayun, okay. Let's go! Good luck, good luck!
And our score is 6-4. The favor is on the ball of Pelulia. Mark Pastor Nico lose the ball. It's a ball possession. And it's now on the Kapati. Pass to the Panas in the inside his road. The Shelby gets the rebound. Pass to Sunny. Sunny starts stealing. And it's now on Pastor one on the inside. And call. And by the way, happy going sa ating Council Shigi and Patelia. Celis has made them come by Pastor Sean. Pastor the King Galileo. It's a new. Well, it's Patelia now bringing down the leader. Pass to Andre Kabatahe. Kabatahe now. Kabatahe Lonzi! Our score 8-4. We still have the favor. Dito now, no! Yes, Kapay Eman Pagkabay. Pagkabay dribbling. Pagkabay now. Pagkabay, Haras by Celis. Pagkabay dancing. And it's a miscommunication.
Hindi mo alam na shooter yun, no? Kasi hindi mo tinitignan kanina pa tira ng tira yun, eh. Pero pinabayaan mo pa rin. Sa kanya?
Honorable Mayor Dan Valencia Masinzin, Municipal Administrator Mr. John B. Masinzin, Kapitan Tengang Ayas, SK Jericho Hernandez, Mayor Pulunga Players, GSO Puso, MDRMO Central, Celis now dribbling, take from Katabay, Celis gets the ball. Haras by Katabay, Celis on the road. Drop by Katabay, looking for his teammate. And it's now on mark to Nico. Nico now, Parson 3. 2-0. It's a 2 for Nico. We still have the lead 8-6. The lead for Pelulia, and it's now on for the fire team. Okay, there's the contact. Better put in the ball. Again, Special Strength C, Mobs, Phenomenal Basketball, Team Baylor Pelulia, Honorable Mayor Dan Valencia Masinzin, Municipal Administrator Mr. John B. Masinzin, Kapitan Tengang Ayas, SK Jericho Hernandez, Baylor Pelulia Player, Kabatahe pass to the team captain, Angeles. And it's now on Angeles to long 0-2. Let's play this Shempre, looking for the point guard. Celis gets the ball. Celis now harassed by Katabay. Celis, and it's now stealed by Patenya. And it's now on Patenya. Patenya picks it. And it's now on Android for 2-2. And it's a rebound by this ball by Jericho. December gets the ball, pass to the third general. Celis, pass to Nico takes it. Nico takes again. Given, oh, it's Mark. Celis. And it's our Nico. Harris by Ellis Fernandez steal the ball. Alisawan, katanya to Pagtabay signaling the game, asking for an isolation. Alisawan, Pagtabay gets a screen from the cup. Angeles runner, Alisawan, pass. Alisawan Celis, our score 9-6, favor for our better Padilla. And it's Sawan that gets the ball. Pass by Sean. Gets now by Miko. Miko dribbling. The Chinaman is dribbling. There's a call for foul. And it's Sawan Miko pass to Celis. Celis now looking for the good play. And it's Sawan Sean. Score 9-7, 2-point lead for the better Padilla. That is one. That is Mataya, who is a double foul. That is one. Eman Dunsabay. Pagtabay dribbling, Harris by Nico. Pagtabay on the move! It's a foul. Of course. And also to our barangay captain, Kapitan Cesar Shane B. Amores. And is now one patay niya signal in the game. Harris by Mark. Patay niya now, dribbling. Patay niya na our score 10-7. It's a 3-point lead. And it's now one shot. A shot for three. Let's go. That is what they get the rebound. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Eman Pagtabay. Pagtabay now. Harris by Celis. Pagtabay dancing. Pagtabay dribbling. Turn around. Pass it out now to Eris. Patenya, pursues it out, gets out by Patenya, it's a foul. Better Padilla. He sent the 10 Angeles, SK Chairman Jennifer Orcanes, Team Better Padilla players, KSO Puso. MDRMO Central, Cancel Timberware, Cancel Jim Canero, Cancel Graham Castro, Cancel Ibas Bermudez.
Nasa gig sa dribble ko, nasusundutan ka pa. Okay, sayang.
Cancel PA Parker, Cancel Jesse Motil, Cancel Ruel Masinsin, Cancel Jordan Olea.
Laging maluwag.
And also our 9 barangays, barangay
sabi nga natin, box out. Kunin natin yung tao, hindi nakabox out na tayo, wala tayong tao sa likod. Hawakan lang kami. Ang gagawin natin, bago tayo tumakbo, kunin muna natin. Kunin muna natin. Para hindi na makapasok. Kumuha tayo. Umalis, tulipat. Ayun, tingnan mo yung tatakbo lagi. Kunin natin, guys. Okay lang, 10-7, tatlo lang. Bawi tayo. Depensa tayo. Depensa tayo. Depensa kayo. Bawi tayo. Relax muna tayo, buddy.
Again, our score 10-7. We still have the favor. A 3-point lead for the Better Padilla. Pagtabay signal in the game. Asking for an ISO. Oh, it's a switch. And it's now on the top line. No, too strong. Just now by the big daddy. That's what under now pretty away as well. It's now on the pass. Patenya, Kapitay gets ball. Pagsabay, Patenya. Oh, yes. And it's now on Patenya, signaling the game. Patenya gets a sprint from Kabatay. Kabatay up for Tanzar. It's new, push ball. And it's now gets by Mark. Celis gets the ball, Celis stealing. And it's now on Celis. Nico takes it. Nico passing out to Mark. Save! That's the rescue. And it's now on Eman Gonzabay. It's a nice illusion. Gonzabay passing out now to Anchor. Anchor takes it. It's a foul. And it's now on Julia, passing out to Anchor, inside is new. Celis dribbling, Halas by Gonzabay. Celis down, gets a screen from Mark. And it's now on Miko. Miko now, the big barrier, it's a foul. And it's now on Miko pass to Celis. Celis has by Gonzabay, similar in the game. And the shot pass to the ball. Juggernaut versus the Juggernaut, pass to Celis. Celis now bounds. One point. Steps on the lancer. Okay, sir. 1 point na po yung last shot ni Mr. Celis. So our score is 10-9. We still have the lead. It's a single only. Eman pass to Aries. Patenya dribbling. Patenya now. Stop and pumps. Patenya gets a two. It's 12-9. Celis dribbling. And it's now one shot watching the handle. We get a handle. Shot on the big three. Power on third. And it's now one Miko pass to Celis. Celis dribbling. As making pass. Switch from Gonzabay. To Gonzabay rather. And it's Sean. Sean on the big. It's a foul. Simple. Wait lang po. Pagpanasan lang po, sir. Sir, thank you. And as a happy doing again, taken to Shigi and Patenya. And it's now on Celis dribbling, has by the Gonzabay. Then our score 12-9. It's a lot people for the better Puluya. Miko at the inside. Pass to the Shepherd, Celis gets the ball. Has by the Gonzabay. Celis now gets a running jumper. Keep it 1 point. Celis pass to the big valley out. Juggernaut passes to Juggernaut. It's a bounce pass. Anchors gets the ball. Wow. Score 12-10. And it's now on Puluya looking for his teammate. Pass to Patenya. Patenya now in the inside the through. Here's a foul. And it's out on Divya Anchorn. Anchorn move. That's now by Mark to Celis. Celis now is very dribbling. Second again, pass to Mika for 2. Mika good for 2. It's all 12. It's Alan from Sapa. Pagkakay now. Pagkakay Lansing. Talavera on the road. Talavera with a push. Good push. Points for Talavera. 20-12. And it's Alan Mika. Mika now turn it around. It's new. Here's the call substitution. Atenya out on the floor. Shoot it. Foul it. And it's now on Celis dribbling. Celis at the center. Pass it out to Sean. Sean on Judy. No. Let's up by Talavera. Talavera to Kabotahe. Kabotahe is really dribbling. Pass to Emma Buntabay. Buntabay. Dribbling. Buntabay Lansing. Buntabay Dixon. Talavera for 2. Was a change start. Again, it's a change start.
Guys, ulitin ko ulit yung dos nila. Hindi sapat na pinalo mo. Late ka eh. Naitira niya na maayos eh. Diba? Guys, lapit nga kayo. Gano'n ba kayo ka-attentive pagdating sa outside shooting nila? Gano'n kayo ka-alerto? Kasi yung mga ulit hindi ka pinagawa. Mamaya pwede nyo rin gawin. Mamaya sasabihin mo Gab, akin yun. Mamaya sasabihin mo ulit akin yun. Magkasatalo na tayo, sasabihin mo akin yun. Paano? Paano? Gusto nyo muna patanggapin. Tapos pag nakatira na maayos, sasabihin mo pinalo ko naman eh. Hindi naman dapat ganun eh. Kung alam mo naman shooter, at alam mo naman yung iniiwasan natin, dun pa lang dapat di na siya makatanggap eh. Mamaya hingi ulit kayo ng pasensya. Sorry, akin ulit yun. Akin ulit yun.
Guys, basta mo tanggapin. Hey, hindi porket big man yun, hindi na siya titira. Hayaan nyo na lang tumanggap. Angatin nyo! Tasin natin kamay, pwesta sa labas. Stop! Tara!
And it's now on Celis dribbling. Michael Pata. Kalmada pass to Sean for 2. It's around. Rebound to the target up. Billion out. Pass down now to Kalmada. Kalmada dribbling. Harris by Celis. Pass it out now to JP Panawan. Kalmada. Kalmada pass it out now. It's out of bounds. Simple. Follow the pass to Kalmada. Kalmada now dribbling. Kalmada on the move. Kalmada turn it around. Pass to Jamil. Followed it is Mr. Briggy. Also between 12. Moving on for our team better to India. Muli po, makikisuyo po dun sa mga nasa bubong. Baba po kayo dyan. And it's now on Celis. Celis just is always on shot runner. That's not like Kalmada. This power about the ball is out of bounds. Ball possession for it's a foul runner. And it's the shot out. Talavera gets the rebound. Talavera to the juggernaut. It's a steal from the Shepherd. Sean dribbling. Sean and it's a foul. And it's now on Celis dribbling. As Kalmada gets it through to Mark. Celis. Celis with Talavera for 2. It's no. Purple. And it's now on. Labas. And it's now on Kalmada pass to Kanawan from downtown, and through, who's wrong? Says let's go. Pass it out now to Nico.
Nice pass.
Our score 15-14, it's a 1-point lead. And it's a 1-1. Foul. And it's a 1-1. Salis dribbling. Spinning. Lose the ball. Kanawan gets the ball. Kanawan out. Kanawan is through. Kanawan gets the rebound. Foul on Mark. Simple.
Oh, yeah.
Now score 17-14. The favor for the Better Pavilla. And it's a 1 Kalmada, harassed by Zelis. Kalmada now. For Juno. That's how we mark. Home to Zelis. Zelis slowly dribbling. Harassed by Zelis found out to Nico. Nico takes it. Nico pass it. Talavera gets it. Still in. Talavera one and two. And down six. And it's now on Zelis, harassed by Kalmada. Zelis bounce pass to the people of the assembly, harassed by Talavera. Zelis from the move. And it's now on Nico. Nico dribbling, harassed by Paulette. Nico now from downtown. Good proceed. 17-16. What's the ball? It's not counted for Nico. So 17-14. Agui, Kujal, Jay Canera, and Kujal, Ryan Cascarrillo. And it's now one Nico dribbling, harassed by Paulette and Nico. Into the two. And it's now one JB Tanawan. JB, pass it out now to Paulette. Welcome po. Not-counted daw po. May foul dito sa kabila. So, the score is still 17-14 for Pililia. Sean dribbling. And it's now on China. It's low. Nico, it's a foul on Javier Paulette. Zelis dribbling. That's a straight from Nico. Zelis on the move. And it's now on China. China, pass by Kanawan. Now pass to Juggernaut Blue. Look, so easy. And it's now on Zelis dribbling. Zelis down, move. And it's the Shabra.
Lamang sila. Dahil mas maganda yung nilalaro nila kumpara sa inyo. Tandaan nyo yun. Ngayon, tatlo lang lamang nila. Sama na lang nyo, pero tatlo lamang nila. Ngayon, bawi tayo sa depensa. Mag-usap kayo. Mag-usap kayo. Tsaka huwag kayo magtatapon ng possession. Huwag bara-bara, ha?
Guys, basa muna tayo.
Good shot yun, ha? Good shot yun.
Celis, ikaw point guard, magingay ka.
Sean Harris by Tanawan. Sean Brulay. Sean McCaffrey. It's Sean. 17-15. It's a 2-point lead for the Paraphilia. And Zawan Kalmada pass it out to JP. Pass to Kalmada. Kalmada on the move. Kalmada inside. And Zawan. Celis winning. Celis pass to the Shimley. It's an easy point for the Shimley. And it's Zawan Kalmada dribbling. Pass by Celis, single in the game. Pass down to Tanawan. Tanawan from there. Score 20-16. And it's Zawan Celis pass to Miko. Miko coming inside, it's a foul. Foul on Shabir. Celis, and it's Zawan Sean. Shadow off the board. And it's Zawan Kalmada. Kalmada is slowly dribbling. And it's Zawan Kalmada has the point. Kalmada to the field. Foul in it. Kalmada gets the ball. Has by Sean. Kalmada on the move. Using the handle. It's gets by JP. JP now dribbling. JP now. JP in the other one. 20-16. And it's a foul. And it's Zawan Celis, Harris by Kalmada. Celis now dribbling. Miko. Miko on the move, and then inside. Buster. Lead for our hometown. And it's Zawan Kalmada dribbling. Kalmada now. Kalmada now. Right up and through. And it's Zawan Celis. Miko pass to Celis. Celis on the move. Tapay Masyales. Solo in front to Miko. Miko on the move. It's a foul. Foul on German Marsales. 12-17. And it's Zawan Celis dribbling. Celis now for 2-0. We're won by 9 for the putback. Governor. And Zawan Kalmada from 3-2. Let's be Sean. Sean. And it's Zawan Celis. Celis looking close to me. Miko gets the ball. Out by Tanawan. And it's Zawan Sean gets the ball. It's foul. Foul on JP Tanawan. And on the floor, Kintabay for Tanawan.
Hey, hinga lang ha. Apat lang yan. Okay? Yung dalawang huling tira nila, hindi ko kayo, wala akong masasabi doon. Okay? sumot talaga. Ngayon, ang pwede natin gawin is talaga higpitan natin yung ibabaw. Yung huling dalawang dos, wala tayong magagawa doon. Ang layo eh. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon, mag-a-adjust tayo. Huwag natin talaga sila bibigyan ng opportunity makados. Lahat sila kumpiyansa bumitaw. Lahat sila kumpiyansa tumira. Okay, huwag natin ibigay yung kumpiyansa na yun. Ngayon, isa ba? Sean, pag na-screenan ka, kailangan mag-uusap kayo kung magpapalit ba kayo o hindi. Nung in-screenan ka, tas ikaw, parehas kayo sumama dun sa rumol. Nakatira na maluwag yung point guard, buti hindi sumot. Mag-usap kayo kung mag-switch kayo o hindi. Mag-usap kayo.
Pag may screen, sabihin nyo. Parang tulungan sa option. Right left lang, sabihin nyo. Balik tayo, pag screen natin. Basta pag ayan na. Dumikit ka na sa bantay mo, para hindi tumama yung screen.
Sean, eto na yung shooter naka-violet. Okay? Yung kanina, ayoko makakatira. Naintindihan mo, ibig sabihin na ayoko makakatira? Hanggat maaari, wag mo na patanggapin. You get me? Come on.
For Team Bella Padilla. And it's on Sean. Sean dribbling. Hasbay na po tayo. Sean. It's a foul. And it's on one big call pass to Celis. And it's our skipping and goal. Under now. No. It's there. 2-0. And it's on one Emon. Under now. Wide open and play. Patenya pass it out now to Emon. Emon dribbling. Pass it out now to Anjor. Anjor looking for a space. Yes, it is on it. And I think there is a foul. There's a foul for foul on top. Kaisawan Talavera bounce pass to Intabay. Kaisawan Emon gets a nice off. Emon dancing with the tennis. And it's now on the Shambhala. Marshall gets the ball. It's a showtime for the team there of Padilla. Emon again. Emon with the bounce. Emon again. Emon! And it's Anjor. Hit it away, no. Marshall to Padilla. Patenya na dribbling. Patenya is stop and pumps on 2-2. Marshall is on the move. Talavera Anjor. There's a ball. Sa SK Wawa kay Dex Kalipa. Brother, dalawang Dex Kalipa. And it's Zawad Patenya. Patenya dribbling. Patenya on the move. 24-18. Hanggang 31 po. And it's Zawad Celis on the move. Doon sa contact. South Division. Talavera out on the floor. Jeep Ambulance. Sean gets the ball. Sean now on the move. Losing the handle. Sean now stop and pumps it through. Andrew gets the rebound. And it's all on Emon. Emon is about to take us for Marcellus inside. It's a ball. Patenya pass. Pagkabay now. Pagkabay dancing. Pagkabay dancing. It's a foul. Foul and Mika. Single. And it's our Patenya Anjor. Anjor Buchino. Sean gets the ball. Pass it out now to Speedy Celis. Celis on the move. It's Sean pitching. Sean passing. And it's on sa foul. Natutuloy din sa mga taga-Barangay Wawa na nagkitay kay Paper Vidanes. Wait lang kayo. And it's Patenya Harris Bay Club. Patenya triple lane. Patenya, pass it out now to GP. Move. Yes, Aries. And it's Aries. Harris Bay Club looking for text mate. Pass to GP Angeles. Angeles down. Angeles from Sean. Let's go. Harabang. Moms, phenomenal ball.
Set up muna tayo. Set niyo muna kay Jello. Tapos kahit hindi naman niya ma-score eh. Habang dumidribble siya, mag-screenan kayo. Pwede kayong kumat sa gitna. Sa drop lang ni Jello, easy teardrop. Easy 1 point. Pwede rin kapag dumidribble si Jello, bigla ka magpakita handoff sa labas. Kick out. Kaya hirap na hirap kayo eh. Hindi nyo pinapaabot yung bola sa ilalim eh. Lahat kayo gusto lang sa ibabaw eh.
Celis, dali mo na kagad sa gilid, tumasan man si Jello. Halimbawa dito sa Jello, dos tres, triangle. Guess nyo, bulahan nyo si Jello.
Tapos cut ka gap.
Hindi, didikoy muna to, pwede yan dyan eh. Angat ka dito, pwedeng double screen.
Tapos dive, pakita.
Nico, may iiwan, top up. Pag dive nito, may iiwan, bigay.
Wala muna ng ISO sa labas. Bigay muna natin kay Jello.
Gets? Na-gets nyo?
And it's now on the juggernaut. It's about JB Angeles. And it's now on Celis dribbling. Pass it out now to Diciembre now, pass it out to Sean. Harus baik kapatah. Bounce pass to Diciembre. And it's now on. Now on M1. Here we go again. M1 on dribbling. Here we go again. M1 dribbling. Harus by Celis. Pass it out to Anjord. Couple time on three. Couple time with the team. Atin natin, baby. Nakaya coach. Yung mga nasa loob, kayo yung mga magano nung shot kanina eh. Coach. Amores and Coach Glenn.
Pag-involve lagi kang ganito. Lagi kang ganito. Mas
And this game is brought to you by Maps Phenomenal.
lagi kang hindi ready, hindi ka alerto. Lagi kang napapangunahan ng kapag time out, nakaganto ka, nag-out of bound, nakaganto ka, inaano mo yung legs mo, wala kang, hindi mo nakikita kung nasan. Dapat ready ka na nun, ini-inbound pa lang para kapag tumakbo siya, alam mo na kung may dadaanan kang screen. Sa'yo nang gagaling, kaya yung mga scorer nila nakakadaan, sa'yo nang hindi ka nakaka-react ka agad eh. Sabi sa'yo, nandito lahat ng problema mo, wala sa skills. Go! Sean, maging alerto ka.
Pag hindi mo na-solve yung kahit anong mag-gain mo na skills, kahit mag-shooter ka, sobrang galing mo ball handling, sobrang galing mong fuminish, pag kulang ka sa pag-unawa kung anong gagawin mo sa loob, hindi ka alerto, kulang. Kailangan mo maging alerto. Yung lagi mo iniinda, nag-inbound na lahat-lahat, nakaganto ka pa. Tingnan mo yung bantay mo. Kahit ini-inbound pa lang, kita mo na siya, alam mo na. Alam mo na kung pag tumakbo siya doon, merong skill na dadaanan, alam mo na, nakikita mo na ahead of time. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Lagi ka nagugulat eh. Nagugulat ka kasi lagi ka nga nakaganito siya. Tapos kapag pinasa, hahanapin mo na yung bantay mo, hindi mo na alam. Isang taon mo nang sakit dyan.
There's a conversation for the Pero Pulilla. JB pass to the dancing ball. Pansabay dribbling. Answer now, that's the ball. One of us division with shot. Answer. And it's now one Palawan from there. And it's now still. And it's now one even. It's a showtime from the dancing boy. And it's now one service. Pass it out now to the Shemre Hassan. The Shemre now. It's a foul. And it's now one Shemre. The Shemre now. As the GP one-on-one celebration. And it's now one Kiko takes it. Step back. And it's now one Shemre. Oh, there's and it's now one shot. Shot now. Halas by Palawan. Bounce pass to the Shemre. It's one-on-one again. He gets down there in the point. Otak now. Pass down to and the Pero Pulilla. Bounce for the more basketball. Struggling now. Sellies. Halas by the dancing boy. And it's now one Mika for pursue. 28-22. And it's now one the dancing boy. It's a foul. Oh no, on Sellies. GP, signal of the game. GP asking for another isolation. One-on-one situation with the Shemre. JP now, JP pounds for JP. 29-22, it's a 7-point lead. It's just a 7-point lead. For the team Pero Pulilla. And it's now one shot. Shot dribbling. Looking for Steve. Shot now. And it's now one foul. Pass to Nigo. It's out of bounds. Singer. 129-32. Nico gets the ball. Alas now by Emon. It's dribbling. Sellies. Clear around. Loose. It's a foul. Foul on Emon to foul. And it's all on Shana. Shana on the move. Shana goes down. Good foul. And it's all on Zelly dribbling. Harassed by Emon. Sellies pumps it through. But up against the rebound. It's a foul rebound from Broken Kapay. And now.
Madami yan ah.
Kaya ko yan.
Ba't ako nag-aalisan?
Putoy!
Kuya,
Putoy!
ayos sa akin ng babae dito. Ayos sa akin?
Ayaw?
Ay, ako sa'yo, idol!
Hindi. Excuse me.
Ay, excuse
Excuse me!
No po. Tambayin mo na ako dito, pwede?
Sige.
Uy! Inagawan mo ako eh!
Natalo tayo, pero sobrang saya.
Solid! Coach, solid!
Natalo na tayo sa game, pero yung mga tao, solid. Panalo tayo.
Solid!
May nananalo.
Lesson from the
At ngayon, tanggapin natin yung pagkatalo natin.
Coach, babalik tayo, kasama ka na, babawi tayo, let's go!
Daming tao kanina. So sa mga kababayan ko sa Pililla, thank you for supporting yung game natin ng Mavs versus Better Pililla. So hopefully, hindi yun yung first and last. Sana invite natin ulit, rest back ba kumbaga. Bawi sila sa atin, di ba? So far sa basketball, yun yung pinakamalaking crowd na nakita ko. So sana round 2, damihan pa natin.
Yan!
Babalik talaga tayo kasi babawi tayo sa Pililla. Hindi, sobrang galing ng team nila, sir. As in, sabi ko nga, yun yung team na hinahanap ko na makalaban namin talaga. Kasi yun yung team na magbibigay sa atin na mas maraming, kumbaga, knowledge sa laro. Kasi yung playing style nila is talaga shooting sa labas. So gusto ko talagang matutunan nilang recover sa mga, lalo na kung lagi may dos yung mga dadayuan natin. Na lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila yun. Kaya lang syempre hanggat hindi nila, kumbaga wala silang nakakalaban team na ganun ka-shooter, hindi tatatak sa utak nila. So I believe itong game na to, yes, talo tayo, pero ang dami nilang matututunan dito na kapag sinabi ko next time na talaga i-recover nila yung 2 points, mas magiging aware na sila. So yung team ng Pililla yung hinahanap kong team na makalaban natin, and masaya ako na nakalaban nila natin ngayon yun. And talo talaga tayo, ang ganda ng nilaro nila. Sir, maraming salamat.
Thank you. So coach, na rest back ba?
Babawi kami.
Oh, babalik na ako guys. Babalik.
Lalaro ako. Ayun, maraming salamat.
Thank you guys. Mavs pala, follow them, subscribe sa YouTube nila guys. Kasi inspiration to sa Pililla. Nakita nyo naman yung dami ng tao, di ba? Very fans talaga ang taga-Pililla ng Mavs.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa mga taga-Pililla at sa nakalaro natin. Thank you so much. Bawi kami next time.
Go Dayo!
Sa mga gusto pala mag-invite ng Dayo sa amin guys, message nyo lang to.
Yan guys, for Dayo 8 Quiris, message nyo lang ako. Ito yung number ko, 0945-729-3140. At malay nyo, sa lugar nyo na yung sunod na Dayo namin. So,
Sir, sinong kinontak nyo nung...
Ang kinontak ko, napakadaling kausap guys. So yung ibang bayan dyan, kontakin nyo si Christopher. Pa-flash nila yung number dito sa baba, di ba? Tawagan nyo, text nyo. Very responsive yan. Kaya try nyo guys.
Okay, sir, maraming
Thank you so much, Mavs. Thank you, coach. Thank you, players. Thank you, Topper. Guys, ito kukontakin nyo ah. Ito, tandaan nyo yung mukhang to. Ito, coach.
Thank you, Lakers.
Guys, heads up tayo, okay? Yung talo kanina, nung early parts of the game, ang dami yung missed na sa depensa ganyan. Pero nung huli, yung lalo na nung nakashoot ng dalawang malapit sa half-court, hindi nyo na mali yun. Sumot talaga. And then, syempre, nag-i nila yung kumpiyansa nila. Dahil dun sa dalawa na yun. Actually, yung tumapos dun sa laro eh. Yung dalawang malayo. Nung na-shoot niya yun, lahat ng kakampi niya, naging kumpiyansa na. Tapos syempre tayo, baliktad naman na wala yung kumpiyansa natin. Pero, sabi ko nga kanina, seryoso ko dun. Yun yung team na gusto kong makatapat nyo. Kasi, ito yung sinasabi ko na ito yung classic defense na ibigay natin. Lalo na sa 2 points. Nakikita ko, pasok dito, labas dito eh. Kasi siguro, hindi nyo pinapahalagaan kasi feeling nyo, hindi naman mangyayari. Pero gusto kong makalaban nyo yung ganong klaseng team kanina, which is na-experience yun na yung sinasabi ko.
sa mga susunod na game, mas hindi kayo magiging pabaya. Sa mga susunod na game, mas makikita nyo na yun, mas magiging aware na kayo. Kasi ayaw nyo na maulit yung ginawa sa inyo kanina.
Yes, coach.
Okay, dikit lang naman hanggang 20 eh. Okay? Nagkaroon lang sila talaga ng malaking break doon sa dalawang malaking 3 points na yun. Pero, kung aware tayo doon, baka hindi nangyari yun. Or yung baka tira nila nung umpisa, baka nabawasan. Okay? So, lahat sila pumukol, lahat nakatira ng 3 points. And hindi mali ng isa yun, malinin yung lahat yun. Kasi kapag time out, doon lang tayo nag-uusap. Pagdating sa loob, nakikita ko walang nagko-command, walang nagsasalita, walang nagsasabi na dito ka, dito ka. Wala, pag nagdaan sa screen, wala din nag-uusap, switch tayo. Okay na dito. So bukas may game tayo. Kailangan meron kayong communication talaga. Ha? Tapos, same. Masigpit na natin yung outside shooting ng kalaban. And, the whole game, outplayed talaga kayo ng kalaban. The whole game, mas maganda talaga nilaro nila.
Ang ganang flow nila.
Okay? The whole game. So, hindi kayo natalo dahil sa kung anong dahilan. Natalo kayo dahil natalo talaga kayo. And, magandang experience yun. Kasi yung tumalo sa inyo, yun yung tipo ng team na gusto ko talaga makalaban nyo para matuto kayo.
Yes, coach.
Yun yung tipo ng team na hindi nyo pa masyadong, hindi madalas nating nakakaharap eh. Ito, grabe yung shooting. So since nakaharap nyo yung ganong klaseng team, magiging aware kayo sa mga susunod, anong klaseng defense yung dapat nyo ibigay. So, learning lesson guys. Pero, walang kwenta yung learning lesson na yun kung tomorrow uulitin nyo lang tinulit. Ang challenge natin is tomorrow, pag naglaro tayo, itama natin yung mga mali natin.
Yes, coach.
Okay? Pero heads up tayo, good job yun. Let's pray. Pray tayo guys, pray tayo. Lord, maraming salamat sa laro. Maraming salamat sa nakalaban namin, Lord. Binigyan niyo kami, Lord, ng isang team na magbubukas sa mata namin, Lord. Kung anong klaseng laro yung dapat namin i-adjust. And I believe win-win situation yun para sa amin, Lord. And again, Lord, maraming salamat sa suporta ng mga taga-Pililya. Grabe, Lord, punong-puno, Lord. Natapos sa maayos yung laro, Lord. Nagka-initan ng konti, Lord. Nagka-pisikalan, Lord. Pero at the end of the day, Lord, naging sports ang lahat, Lord. Pati ang kalaro namin. Sabay kumain. Pagkatapos, Lord, nagkaroon kami ng parang kaibigan dito sa Pililya na papabalikan. Kaya, Lord, maraming salamat, Lord. And ingatan niyo po kami, Lord. Bigyan niyo po kami ng recovery, Lord. And ihanda niyo po kami sa game tomorrow. Again, in Jesus' name we pray.
Amen!
Guys,
Thank you, coach.
okay lang yung talo na yun, ha?
Hands up.
Bukas bawi tayo. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Shot first.